In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to delete app project in Base44, quick guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can remove an app project confidently and without surprises. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 website. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main dashboard. If you're working across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so you can see the app you intend to remove. A quick reminder before we continue. Deleting an app project is permanent. If the app contains data, environments, or integrations you might need later, consider making a copy of essential information or letting your team know in advance. From the dashboard, click on the Apps section. This is where all of your app projects are listed. You may see filters such as My Apps or workspace-specific views. Use those if you need to narrow the list. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right app by checking its name and any identifying details. This quick double check helps you avoid deleting the wrong project, especially if multiple apps share similar names. Next, locate the app you want to delete and open its options to find the delete app action. Depending on your view, this might appear as a button on the app card, a menu item in a three-dot menu, or an option within the app's settings page. When you see Delete App, select it. If you don't see the option, you may not have the required permissions. In that case, an owner or admin in your workspace will need to perform the deletion or adjust your access. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify the deletion. This step is designed to prevent accidental removals. Read the message carefully. It may outline what will be lost and, in some cases, ask you to confirm by typing the app's name. When you're sure, click Delete this app to finalize. If you change your mind, simply cancel and you'll return to your previous view without any changes. That's it. You went to Base44, opened the apps area, chose Delete App for the correct project, and confirmed by selecting Delete this app. After the deletion completes, the app will disappear from your list. If you still see it briefly, refresh the page. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider reviewing your remaining apps to keep your workspace clean and organized.